Hey guys, Steve Welch here again, Beaman Toyota. I wanted to show you a couple things here on the Sienna. Had a couple questions on this, so I wanted to kind of help us out here. This one's an XLE all-wheel drive, but this is going to be true in most of them. A couple of your lower trim levels won't have a couple of the options I'm going to show you, but I'm just going to show you a few of the things for troubleshooting when it comes to your opening of your rear doors and your side doors with the automatic function. Now I'm going to show you, first off, obviously I'm inside the car here. You've got your buttons up top. Those buttons up top will allow you to open the back door right here, open the side doors right here or right there. Now, if you hit this button and you hear that double beep, chances are your doors are locked. So if you go through and you hit your unlock button and then you hit this button, now you'll see that the back door is opening. So that's something that a lot of times people will hit that button and they'll hear that beep and they'll wonder what is wrong with their car. There's nothing wrong with your car, you just forgot to unlock your doors. Usually that happens when you grab the outside of the door and it's unlocked just your driver's door. That obviously could be an issue. The other thing that you've got is right here, this power door switch. So if you hit this door switch, and you can see there's a little orange up here, you see that you're on. If you hit this switch and you come back up here, you're gonna hear that same beep. So you can't open your doors, can't open your side doors, can't do anything with that. So hit this button again, you'll hit that and you can see that your side door is now opening. So if you want your power doors to work, that's obviously the way to do it. And you can also, if you hit that button, you can still actually pull and close your door just the old style way, the same way that people used to do it for years. But if you want that power function to work, you need to have that on. Now the other thing that I'm going to talk to you about is on the back door. So now you have the ability on your key here, what you can see right here, that you can hit this back door button and you can open and close that back door just by being here. And your power up, you can obviously hit it again, power back down. Your side doors as well, either side here, or your side doors, so you can do that too. Now the thing that's different, and it's I guess a safety thing, is that you have your bottom here. If you hit this button, it's not power up. The door will lift itself, but it is not going to be a motorized lift. You want it back down, obviously you can hit that button, you're going to bring it back down. But none of the Siennas will have a motorized lift. And like I said, I believe that's a safety issue. But whether it's an XLE, a limited, even very top of the line, it will still not motorized lift if you grab it from the back. It's always going to be something you have to pull up and work with it from there. And I will tell you too that underneath here, you might not be able to see it too well, but right here there's a little circle. That circle actually works to lock your doors. And if you hit that button, right now it's giving you a tone because I have the driver's door open. But if you were to hit that button, it would allow you to lock all your doors from the back. So hopefully this has helped you out if you had some issues with your power doors on your Toyota Sienna. This is going to be actually for several model years. So I believe you'll go back into the early 2012s, 2013, something like that, where you'll have that ability. It might even be a little further than that. But definitely, Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota. Hope this has helped you to fix some problems you might have had or some questions that you might have had when it comes to operating your power doors on your Toyota Sienna. Hope you have a great day. Let me know if you have any vehicle needs. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota. Have a great day.